Profit with Proof, Episode 2. Today I am gonna show you my yesterday's holding position trades of Australian dollar and what I gained from these only two hedging formula strategy by using my hedging formula, and how much I gain in profit. Hello everyone, I'm Rabi Amjad and I'm gonna show you my today's trading account, my today's account history and trading history, of which I gained so much of profit, a very good enough profit, by using hedging formula, which I already also told you yesterday night that I'll show you. I traded in front of you. I showed you my trades last night and the holding position of that Australian dollar, and I told you that I'll gain how much profit I will show you tomorrow. So now I'm gonna show you my today's profit by using hedging formula, by in Australian buy and selling at the same point I buy and sell Australian dollar, and what I gain just because of this hedging formula. You can see that in first account I earn $386, which you can see that it's like buy and sell, and I close it like which position, if buy or whether the position of sell give me profit, I take it, and then again I wait for the for retracement of opposite side, and when it go again opposite side, I see the market, and if I feel that market will again go downside or like upside, which I already closed in position, again the movement will be go that position, then I do again that position selling or buy. So you can see that in first account I earned 386, and in this account, second account, I earned $304 today, and it also by using hedging formula, by Australian dollar buy and sell at the same point and take profit, whichever position position give me profit, I take it, and then wait for the other position to go that position goes in profit side, and when it give me profit, whether it less or low, doesn't matter, I just close it with the profit, minimum profit, because I gain much profit from the previous position, which gave me lot profit, and I just close it, close this, I just wanna end this hedge, so I just close it in minimum profit. But at the end, total my profit, you can see 304. Now in third account you can also see $334, and I also earn this by also using hedging formula. And I wanna it's pertinent to mention here that I'm not sitting all the time in front of market, and I'm not doing trading very intensely. I just do trade and just log out my accounts, and I check it after 2-3-4 hours, and whatever profit giving me market, I take it, and then open other position, and I close other position in minimum, whether it give me minimum profit, I just take it and close my hedge position, and I close my all today's positions. So that's for all now. That's my today's trading by using hedging formula, which is very much effective, very much beneficial, and very much risk free. So it is very good. You have to just do it with technique, like how but in what level you find that in what level, in what time I should open this hedge, I should take profit and wait for the other rest position to give you back profit again, and going back again in profitable situation. So it's just technical. You have to just earn, and you can do this also. And as I earn very good, I earn good money by using this formula. I also prefer you to do this, but before doing this, practice it in your demo account. Thank you. That's for all now. Please like and subscribe my channel, and also press bell icon for further assistance and for my motivation and appreciation. Thank you.